First things first, I appreciate your support. So today we discuss, we go through reasons why your washing machine is not taking softener. This is a very common problem. So you will put your normal detergent, you put your normal softener there, but after doing your laundry, you realize soap is still on the dispenser. Like your machine is not picking softener. It's simple. You see, we put softener here. So what happens is when your dispensing compartment is clogged, there's this hole here. So when you pour here softener, it goes through this hole. And then through that hole, and then goes to the main hose that goes to the drum. So what happens is with time, it clogs completely. And then it blocks. So what you need to do, simple. This is the simplest way to remove your soap dispenser. Then you remove this blue thing here. Then ensure this hole is not blocked. Because once it's blocked, there's no way, even if you have enough water pressure, there's no way your machine will take softener. So it's simple. Clean that soap compartment. Then number two, if water is not coming in with enough pressure, where the dispensing compartment fits, it also gets clogged. Right away from where the pipe fits, there's a sieve in there. So when the sieve is blocked, water will come in with the less pressure. So if there's less pressure, then there's no way your machine will take softener. So simple. What you need to do is always remove this dispenser, and it's easy to remove. It's written press. You just press and pull it out. Then clean it. Ensure that inside where the dispenser fits is also clean, because it's on top, it's porous. So even if you have enough water pressure, the machine will struggle to take the detergent. It will struggle to take the softener. So always ensure that the dispensing compartment, the soap dispenser, is clean, and your machine will take detergent and soap.